Dear friends, welcome to the business presentation of PLC Ultima. I'm Alex Reinhardt, an economist, businessman, venture investor, one of the leading experts in blockchain and crypto technologies, and the founder of several projects and companies with a total capitalization of more than 1 billion euros. Over the next few minutes, I will introduce you to the possibilities of making money from cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. A short disclaimer in accordance with all the legal requirements. It's likely that you have already heard about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. This is the evolution of money. It's happening right before our eyes. Just as we transition from cash to electronic payments, cryptocurrencies are no longer the future, but the present. The price of Bitcoin rose from 10 cents to $70,000. That's a 70 million % increase. In this presentation, we will talk about the PLCU coin. It entered the market at the end of the last year. Its price grew from 10 cents to $15,000 and it continues to grow today. The PLC project was launched in Switzerland in 2016. After 5 years of growth, our community exceeds 800,000 users. My goal is to unite everyone who wants to use crypto technologies to create a bridge between the real sector of the economy and the crypto market, which will help millions of people worldwide increase their financial well-being. That's why my team and I created the PLCU coin. Why is the PLCU growing so fast? The price of the coin skyrocketed from 10 cents to $15,000 and keeps rising. Why? There are many reasons for that. The most important reason is the existence of ready-made and convenient tools for generating a passive income. A large and active community provides the PLCU coin with high liquidity and extremely high demand. To strengthen and ride the price, the PLCU coin is listed on popular exchanges and aggregators with the goal to increase the price up to $100,000 per coin. You can produce the PLCU coin easily and quickly right now on your smartphone. The PLCU coin initially meets all the market requirements, which is why it's growing so quickly. PLCU has its own wholly decentralized open source blockchain. The blockchain is like a book where all the transactions are recorded, but no one can tear out the pages or change what's written. The key advantage of the blockchain are reliability, security, and complete transparency. The complete documentation on the coin and its economics is available in the PLCU white paper. The PLCU coin initially had a strict emission limit. Technically, the number of coins cannot exceed 11 million PLCU coins. The monthly decrease in the speed in the production of new coins, as well as the increase of the demand, strengthen the value and price growth of PLCU in the market. Another effective measure to reduce inflation and increase the growth of the exchange rate is the burning of 1% of coins from each transaction. PLCU isn't just easy to produce, it's also convenient for paying for goods and services. The PLC Debit Card allows you to easily and quickly convert your PLCU coins into the fiat currency and enjoy your shopping. Tens of thousands of users are already paying with PLCU card around the world. More than 1 million cards are set to be issued in 2022. The card gives you a phenomenal push to the global development of PLCU coin within the entire crypto market and the growth of its price. The most straightforward and profitable way to produce PLCU coins is to purchase an Ultima Minter product worth from €110 to 550,000 €. The higher the price of the package, the larger the volume of the farm and the more coins you can produce. For example, let's say a user has a budget of €2,100. The user purchases the Ultima Minter for €1,100 and fills the farm with the coins worth another €1,000. With a package worth €1,100 and more, you get an exclusive PLC card as a gift. As a result, they can produce up to 7 times more coins than they put into the farm. Just fill the farm with PLCU coins and click on the Get Profit button. Then the blockchain will create new coins and send them to your wallet every month for a year. The coin production speed is very high now, but it decreases each month, so don't hesitate with your purchase. You can use the produced coin right away, sell them, top up your card, buy a new package, pay for goods and services. You can use a special calculator to see how many coins you can deposit to the farm and produce per year. PLCU offers 2 options for earning money. You can either passively produce coins or actively use additional sources of income. An active partner can both produce coins and earn money on recommendations. Payouts in the PLCU marketing plan achieve 70%. Thousands of users have already built successful career with PLCU and reached the desired diamond ranks. Each new diamond rank opened access to huge profits and offers significant additional bonuses. Our product is so great, and its value is so apparent that more than 90% of all users who find out about PLC Ultima become our customers. If you are serious about making your life as enjoyable and comfortable as possible, if you want to have more fun, make more money, travel more, and stop living from paycheck to paycheck, join us right now. Talk to the person who invited you, and they will send you a sign-up link. If they haven't called yet, give them a call and say, "Send me a link, please. I want to start receiving my bonuses and my profits tomorrow." Thank you very much for your attention, and I wish you all the best in the future with PLC Ultima.